Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a shared Google Drive. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Drive apps, and after this, in here you can see the folder at your Google Drive. If you wanna share the folder, maybe on this one, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the three dots icon in here, and then in here you just click on the share, and after this, in here you can write the people at your you wanna share to, where maybe this one, like this. And after this, you can click on done, this one, and now you can click on the send. Sorry, you can click on the send, this one. Okay, please waiting. Okay, now you can open your Google email at the email, this one, and in here you can click on the share and finish. In here you can see the folder has been shared with your friend. So that's how to make a share drive at Google Drive. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.